star, guide of the wanderer below, drawn on life's surge, we claim thy care. Save us from peril and from woe. Mother of Christ, star of the sea,